Hello everyone, this is Tina from the Crafty Muffins. I will quickly do my base makeup and be back. For your eye makeup to stand out, it is really important to have a good base. I am going over my entire eyelid with a concealer. All the products that I am using are listed in the description box below. I'm now setting down the concealer with some powder. You can also use a nude colored eyeshadow. With a black eye pencil, I'm now going to draw an outline like so. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Rocker Chic palette in California Dreaming for my eye look today. I'm applying the black eyeshadow from the outer corners towards the inner corners, and I'm using a blending brush for this. Ensure that the eyeshadow is darker towards the outside and lighter towards the inside. I shot this video with my phone camera, hence you will see a lot of fluctuation in light. I'm still struggling with the right camera angle, good light, looking into the camera, and of course posing. So if you do have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'm now cutting the crease with the same concealer that I used for the base. Setting it down with some powder. I'm blending in some black eyeshadow again towards the outer corners. I'm now going to use the blue from the same palette. I'm applying some of it over the black eyeshadow to give it a gradient effect. I will apply this blue eyeshadow till the inner corners of my eye. On a different note, since my channel is called the Crafty Muffins, I decided I would call my subscribers and followers Muffins because I love muffins and I love you guys too. And it is a little different, so from the next time onwards I will start my videos with Hello Muffins. Let me know your thoughts on that too. Now for the silver shade from the palette. I'm going to use this in the innermost corners of my eyes like so. I'm using the same shade to highlight just below my eyebrow. With the felt tip liner now, I'm going to line my eyes. Towards the inner corners, the liner is going to be pointing outwards like so. I'm covering my lower lash line with a pencil kajal. I'm now smoking it out with some black eyeshadow. I'm smoking it out further with the blue eyeshadow. Applying some mascara on my lashes. I am not a big fan of false lashes. I'm now using the NYX Cosmetics Ombre blush. Applying some highlighter over my lips, my nose and my cheeks. For my lips, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Intense Butter Gloss in shade Oatmeal Raisin. And we are done. I consider this to be my first makeup video, so if you guys have any feedback for me, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.